This video I will explain how to accept payments using a Paytm QR code for business. If you run a shop or small business, you can easily accept digital payments using Paytm QR code with Paytm. What is Paytm QR code? A QR code is a square barcode that stores your payment details. When a customer scans the QR code, your account details are loaded automatically. The customer can pay instantly. Simple definition. Paytm QR code allows customers to pay you by scanning the QR code instead of typing your payment details. What do you need to accept payments? Before starting, make sure you have a Paytm business account, a linked bank account, a Paytm QR code, either printed or digital. Now we will see how to accept payments. Step 1. Set up Paytm business account. First, download the Paytm app, register as business account. Then add your bank account details. After completing these steps, your account will be ready to receive payments. Step 2. Get your QR code. After registration, Paytm provides a QR code. You can download the QR code, print the QR code, and place the QR code in your shop. Choose the option that works best for your business. Step 3. Display the QR code. Place your QR code near the billing counter, in a location where customers can easily scan it. A visible QR code helps the customers make payments quickly. Step 4. Customer makes payment. The customer opens Paytm. The customer taps scan and pay. The customer scans your QR code. The customer enters the payment amount. The customer enters the UPI PIN. What is UPI PIN? A UPI PIN is a secret number used by the customer to approve the payment. Without the correct UPI PIN, the payment cannot be completed. Step 5. You receive the payment. After successful payment, money is transferred to your bank account. You receive a confirmation in the Paytm app. This usually happens within a seconds. Step 6. Confirm payment. You can confirm the payment by checking the Paytm app using a Soundbox if available. The Soundbox announces the payment, making confirmation easier. Now we will see the real life example. Ravi runs a grocery store. He places a Paytm QR code at the counter. Customer buys the items worth of 500 rupees. The customer scans the QR code, pays 500 rupees. Ravi receives the money instantly. No cash handling is needed. Now we will see another real life example. Priya owns a tea stall. Instead of handling cash, customers scan the QR code. Customers pay 20 rupees or 50 rupees directly. This makes payments faster, easier, and more convenient. What are the benefits for business? No need to handle cash. Instant payment. Easy transaction tracking. Works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Safe and secure. These benefits help businesses to operate more efficiently. Important tips. Always check payment confirmation. Keep the QR code clean and clearly visible. Use your Soundbox for easy confirmation. Link the correct bank account. These steps helps to avoid payment issues. What are the common mistakes to avoid? Not checking payment status, using the wrong QR code, sharing your account details unnecessarily. Being careful can help to prevent problems. Now we will see the summary. Set up a Paytm business account. Get and display your QR code. Customer scans and pays. Money comes directly to your account. That's all you need to start accepting digital payments.